Afternoon guys, just a little video update. As you can see, today I've been a busy boy. We've got the Farmall in a lovely bright red. As you can see, nice shine to it, looking well. So unfortunately I couldn't find a colour code for the red for Farmall for 1939. The only information you can find online is red 50, which equates to absolutely nothing unless you're still alive in the 1930s. So I've gone for this colour red, which I'm hoping is close enough. This is Mazda MX-5 red. So this is the colour that they used to paint MX-5s in the 90s. Personally, I think it's a pretty good colour. So, more videos follow later on. Ta-ra.